how important a checklist is. A checklist is a column of sentences that we should follow. Checklists have many benefits, so should have a checklist. The checklist helps us to remember our tasks and get them organized. We should use a checklist for tasks. We should always have a checklist, even in the market, and in the bathroom. We should have a checklist because the idea that comes to our mind here may be the best idea that we may forget. The checklist should be prepared before work. Checklists can be made on the screen of a mobile computer or on the wall. You can even record a checklist for yourself. A checklist is a great way to avoid forgetting things. You might be able to do something with this checklist that if you had not done you would have been fired for it. Checklist helps to get things in order. For example, humans make a lot of mistakes and forget things if we don't have a checklist. The checklist improves the efficiency of our work because it helps us not to forget things. And finally, the checklist encourages us to see how many things we have done and motivates us to do the rest. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more educational videos.